Joining us now for more on this case and what we're going to be watching today is criminal defense attorney Arthur Aidala. Arthur, always good to see you. So this case, as Dre just laid out, it's about whether or not Trump owes her more money for things he said about her after she went public with her accusations. He's called him a hoax and a lie, said she's not my type. Shoot me straight, Arthur. I mean, why is she able to come forward and say that, he raped me, which in the end a jury determined he did not do, but he can't defend himself, say the allegations aren't true, and say she's not my type? Why is that not allowed?
Because of what happened at the last trial. Good morning, Marky. It's because of what happened at the last trial, which I did attend for a couple of days, especially the day of the summations. Basically, what Judge Kaplan is saying, another jury has heard all of the evidence, and they have determined that that sexual assault did happen. It wasn't rape, which was a big difference. There was a sexual assault that took place. I don't know what Donald Trump could say on the stand at this point, given the judge's rulings that Dre just spoken about. In other words, he's not allowed to say it didn't happen. He's not allowed to say it's a fabrication. He's not allowed to call her a liar. This part is just about the damages. And I don't know what Trump is going to say about damages because, look, I know this judge. I appeared before Judge Kaplan. He's been around a long time. He's a tough guy, and he's ready for the fight.
Yeah, he's watching like a hawk to make sure that he sticks to the guidelines and no campaigning either. If you were representing Trump, would you advise him to take the stand today and testify?
Well, I will tell you, President Trump is upset that he didn't testify at the first trial. Look, he is in a jurisdiction, so your viewers know, where in the last presidential race, I believe he got less than 15% of the vote. Okay, so he is not in a friendly place regarding those 9 jurors. There's 9 jurors who are seated here. So I would not say, look, your charm, your charisma, it may work great on the campaign trail, and it may have gotten you elected to be the president of the United States. I don't think it's going to help you tremendously here. I mean, look, you sitting here shows the jury that you care, that you're not blowing it off. But Mr. Trump, what are you going to say? You're not allowed to say it didn't happen. You're not allowed to say she's a liar. You're not allowed to say it's a fabrication. So what you're only supposed to talk about her damages. What are you going to say that I didn't get out in cross-examination, that our experts haven't said, that, like, what damage does she really have?
And he's already been so vocal everywhere. I have another question. You talk about damages for E. Jean Carroll, what she has gone through. Trump's attorney renewed a request to the judge for a mistrial, saying that Carroll failed to preserve evidence when she deleted death threats that she had received. Carroll even admitted that she deleted some of those emails, messages saying that they were filled with death threats, and she deleted them because she didn't know how to handle them, Arthur. I mean, a mistrial was denied, but do you think that hurts her case?
It's all going to depend on the jury's kind of connection with her or chemistry with her when she was on the stand. I know she was cross-examined pretty hard and pretty harshly. It depends on whether the jurors are looking at her and being, look, if they read any kind of news media, they're going to know she's already got a bunch of money, or she's got money supposedly coming towards her. Some jurors may be like, okay, enough, lady. This is about, did she lose her job? Like, what is her damages? Did she lose her job? Is she unemployable? Is she, really struggling financially? Again, if Trump takes the stand, I don't know what he's going to say. It seems like the defense did a good job, and they'd have a lot to say in summation. The prosecutor is just going to say Trump, 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 because I know you guys all voted against him, and I know you don't like him, and I know you think he's a bully, and the judge is on our side as well. So please give us $10 million, $20 million, $30 million.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, I have to leave it there, but I want to have you back soon, because there's also word that there could be a third defamation lawsuit, a third round of this between Trump and E. Jean Carroll. So I would love to have you back soon.
And Marky, in the courthouse right next door, we're waiting for the decision from the judge regarding, the Attorney General's lawsuit for $350 million. So Lower Manhattan is pretty active with Donald Trump these days.
Yeah, there's a lot going on right now. Well, Arthur Aidala, we always appreciate your take, sir. We'll see you soon.
Have a great day. Thank you.
You as well.